You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Monday after the release of better than expected non-manufacturing ISM. A rise in services PMI also supported the greenback, which ended the day 1.3874 to the euro and 102.13 to the yen. Today's data includes the trade balance, which is expected to recover to negative $40.3 billion in April. Next, to the euro. The euro fell Monday after global risk appetite fell following the release of lower than expected Chinese manufacturing, prompting concerns about the fragile recovery in the eurozone. The single currency ended at 1.3874 to the dollar and 141.70 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone Services PMI for April, which is expected to stay at initial estimate of 53.1, and retail sales for March, which is expected to rise 1% in March. British pound. The pound weakened against most counterparts on Monday after the UK was closed for a bank holiday, and strong data for other major currencies led to their outperforming sterling. The currency ended at 1.6865 to the dollar and 0.8225 to the euro. Today's data includes April Services PMI, which is expected to rise 2 basis points to 57.8. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Monday after safety flows increased following lower than expected Chinese manufacturing data and the worsening of hostilities in the Ukraine. Upbeat inflation expectation also helped support the currency, which ended the day 102.13 to the dollar and 172.24 to the pound. Today's data includes April Services PMI and the BOJ April meeting minutes. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.385 with targets at 1.389 and 1.3905 in extension. Below 1.385, which will look for further downside with 1.3835 and 1.381 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.686 with targets at 1.69 and 1.692 in extension. Below 1.686, which will look for further downside with 1.6845 and 1.682 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.25 with targets at 101.8 and 101.65 in extension. Above 102.25, which will look for further upside with 102.5 and 102.75 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and be watching Markets for you. Have a great day.